Have you ever wondered if visitors from other star systems have ever come through our solar system? Not spaceships, not aliens, but something far older, far more ancient. Imagine a chunk of rock or ice wandering through the galaxy for millions of years, tossed out from a distant star, drifting silently between the stars, until one day it passes through our neighborhood. In 2019, astronomers spotted one of these rare travelers, a visitor from another world. They named it 3I Atlas, the third confirmed interstellar object ever discovered. But where did it come from? What secrets does it carry? And why do these cosmic wanderers matter so much? Let's take a journey through space and time to uncover the mystery of 3I Atlas, the third interstellar visitor. It began like any other night. The Atlas Telescope System in Hawaii, short for Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System, was scanning the skies, hunting for objects that might one day threaten Earth. But on one quiet May evening in 2019, it spotted something unusual. A faint, fast-moving object on a strange path. At first, astronomers thought it might be a long-period comet from the outer solar system. But as more observatories locked on, the data told a different story. This object wasn't looping around the sun. It was just passing through. Its orbit was hyperbolic, open, not closed, meaning it wasn't bound to the sun's gravity. Once it came in, it would swing around and disappear into interstellar space forever. That was the telltale sign. It wasn't from here. This was an interstellar traveler, only the third one humanity has ever detected. And its name was 3I Atlas, C 2019 K7. To understand how incredible that is, let's step back and think about what it takes to become an interstellar object. Every star system, including ours, is messy when it forms. Planets collide, asteroids ricochet, comets get flung around like pinballs. And sometimes gravity gives one of them just the right boost to escape, to break free from its star forever. That's what 3I Atlas is, a piece of another solar system, ejected long ago, wandering the galaxy for millions, maybe billions of years. It could have been born around a sun like ours, or maybe a binary star, or even a red dwarf system. We'll never know for sure. What we do know is this. After drifting across the void for ages, 3I Atlas finally wandered close enough to our sun to be noticed. Its path took it near the inner solar system, a brief cosmic visit before continuing its endless journey back into the dark. Astronomers were thrilled. Before 3I Atlas, we had only seen two interstellar visitors. 1I Oumuamua, the mysterious cigar-shaped object discovered in 2017, tumbling, accelerating strangely, sparking debates about whether it was a comet, a rock, or even something artificial. 2I Borisov, discovered in 2019, which looked like a classic comet, icy, dusty, with a tail glowing as it approached the sun. And now 3I Atlas, a third traveler, this time spotted by an automated telescope system designed to watch for cosmic threats. But unlike Borisov, 3I Atlas wasn't an easy target. It was faint, distant, and hard to track. Some astronomers believe it may have been fragmented, a remnant of a larger interstellar body that broke apart long before reaching us. If that's true, then what we saw was just a ghost, the shattered remains of a traveler from another world. Right now, 3I Atlas is long gone. It came, it glowed faintly in our telescopes, and it slipped silently back into interstellar darkness. Maybe one day, billions of years from now, it will pass another star. Another civilization might spot it, just as we did, and wonder where it came from. That's the poetic part. Each interstellar object we find is a reminder that the galaxy isn't static, it's alive with motion. A cosmic sea of drifting debris, carrying the stories of countless worlds. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember this. Somewhere out there, fragments of other solar systems are passing through ours. Messengers from the stars whispering secrets of distant suns. If you like this video, press that like button and subscribe to this channel to know fascinating space facts like these.